quite puzzling that the Grand Slam track promoters are considering rolling out the event for 2026 after the 2025 edition so dramatically crashed and burned. Indeed, Grand Slam track has filed for bankruptcy to the tune of over 40 million US dollars. And instead of settling their outstanding debt, including prize monies owed to athletes, the intention, as stated, is to pump more millions into athlete recruitment for the new series. But how would that work though? Why would athletes who are owed money from last year get involved with this year's staging? And even other athletes who never took part last year, them not see and hear what happened last year. Why would they now sign up for what is likely to be another crash and burn event? And all the circumstances that led to last year's debacle, those circumstances have changed? Sir Michael Johnson, could you please step to the podium, sir? Please step to the podium.